I just want to take some time on the channel to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, very Happy New Year, happy whatever holiday you celebrate at this time of year. I want to thank all of my subscribers from around the world for keeping up with the channel and watching every day. And I really appreciate it. It's been an amazing year here on the channel. And I'm betting that 2018 is going to be a little bit even more amazing. So don't forget, we have the SHOT Show coming up at the end of January. Got lots of videos to shoot for that. I got a lot more products to look at. So thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for hanging out with me a couple times a week. And we will talk to you. I probably won't be doing any new videos now until after the new year. So we will see you after the new year. I hope you have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.